Dear students, now we see about soil structure. Definition: soil microbiology is the study of microorganisms in soil, their functions, and how they affect soil properties. Soil microorganisms. Soil microorganisms can be classified as bacteria, actinomycetes, fungi, algae, and protozoa. Next we see about soil structure. Soil structure is defined by the way individual particles of sand, silt, and clay are assembled. Single particles, when assembled, appear as larger particles. These are called aggregates. This image explains the aggregates of soil. Aggregation of soil particles can occur in different patterns, resulting in different soil structures. First image shows the good structure of soil aggregation. Second one is bad structure of soil aggregation. In good structure, air and water which is circulate well. In bad structure, air and water circulate badly. So the bad structure will affect the soil structure. Next we see about description of soil structure. Soil structure is mostly usually described in terms of grade, that is called as a degrees of aggregation. Second one is class, average size, and finally type of aggregates. It otherwise called as a form. In some soils, different kinds of aggregates may be formed together. First we see about grades of soil structure. The grade of structure is the degree of aggregation, expressing the differential between cohesion within aggregates and adhesion between aggregates. As these properties vary with the moisture content of the soil, grade of structure should be determined when the soil is neither unusually moist nor unusually dry. There are four types of grades of structure rated from 0 to 3 as follows. First we see about 0 structureless, has no observable aggregation. Second is massive structure, it is otherwise called coherent, where the entire soil horizon means layer, appears cemented in one great mass. Single grain structure, it is a non-coherent, whereas the individual soil particles show no tendency to cling together, such as pure sand. For example is pure sand. Next is weak structure. So weak structure is poorly formed from indistinct aggregates that can barely be absorbed in place. When removed from the profile, the soil material breaks down into mixture of very few entire aggregates, many broken aggregates and much unaggregated material. Second one is moderate structure, is well formed from distinct aggregates that are moderately durable and evident but not distinct in undisturbed soil. Third one is strong structure, is well formed from distinct aggregates that are durable and quite evident in undisturbed soil. Next we see about the next parameter, classes and types of soil structure. Class of structure describes the average size of individual aggregates. Usually 5 distinct classes may be recognized in relation to the type of soil structure. First one is very thin or very thin, very fine or very thin, fine or thin, medium, coarse or thick, very coarse or very thick. These are the 5 different categories which is the soils are diversified as a classes. Next is type of aggregates, otherwise called as a form. Type of structure describes the form or shape of individual aggregates. Generally, soil technicians recognize 7 types of soil structure, but here only 4 types are followed. They are rated from 1 to 4 as follows. First one is granular or crumb structure. The structures are individual particles of sand, silt and clay grouped together in small, nearly spherical grains. Water circulates very easily through such soils. They are commonly found in A horizon of the soil profile. Second one is blacky and subangular blacky structures. These soil particles that cling together in nearly square or angular blocks, having more or less sharp edges. Relatively large blocks indicate that the soil resists penetration and movement of water. They are commonly found in weak horizon where clay has accumulated. Third one is peristematic and columnar structures. These soil particles which have formed into vertical columns or pillars separated by miniature but definite vertical cracks. Water circulates with greater difficulty and drainage is very poor. They are commonly found in weak horizon of the soil profile. Fourth one is platy structure. These soil particles aggregated in thin plates or sheet peeled horizontally one on one another. Plates often overlap, greatly impairing water circulation. It is commonly found in forest soils. Finally, this slide shows the various soil structures: granular, cramped, platy, prismatic, single grains, placky, columnar, massive. Thank you.